Young man, what brings you here?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Listen, why? I don't tire. I don't tire. Eh? For like 5 years now, we be say I don't dey do skits. I don't dey hustle. Nothing to show for it. Eh? I don't hustle. But yet nothing to shoot for it. Listen, why? See, I come we be say you go give me charm. You go give me charm. If I apply the charm like this, everything go just dey work. We be say anybody will carry him phone. Now my skit then go they see. Photo. How that kind of thing now I come for now?
Don't know why it's going on.
You see, young man, let me advise you. You see, in this life, you don't need to rush. Everything has its own time and season. Consistency is the key. Just be doing what you are doing. Do it right. At the right time, your film will come.
Which time be say everything will come at the appointed time? Which time be say consistency is the key? I tell you say I no dey consistent. That's why they do like this now.
You think say they wise?
You know they see them Sabinus them. Even to dead not.
This is plain.
Don't be say if they post, everybody they see them for their phone. Now so me I one day. Do something. Check this thing.
70 years old man.
You are shaking my tweet. Hey! Abomination.
Tio.
Hey.
Go and shoot content. Can you imagine? Rubbish! Let me see you in this shrine again.